Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a crucial part of digital marketing, mastering Google Analytics 4 for SEO success. To start, it's important to understand that data-driven decision-making is the foundation of effective SEO. Modern search optimization demands a seamless integration of both Google Analytics 4 and Google Search Console. Together, they provide the insights you need to fine-tune your strategies. This is especially vital for solopreneurs and marketers working with limited resources. A proper analytics setup enables you to focus on high-impact actions that drive measurable ROI. So let's explore how to set up Google Analytics 4 effectively, ensuring we capture the data that truly matters for our SEO efforts. Corrected and optimized for voiceover. It starts with silence, that eerie stillness when a campaign launches, and nothing happens. No clicks, no bounce rates, no conversions, just a void. That's what it feels like to market without a proper Google Analytics 4 setup. You think everything's working, but you're flying blind. Data is scattered, insights are buried, and proving performance? Nearly impossible. Here's the twist most people miss. Setting up GA4 isn't just technical, it's strategic. You're not just pasting in code. You're deciding which stories your data will tell. Scroll depth, file downloads, on-page interactions, each choice shapes the lens through which you'll define success or failure. This isn't about ticking boxes. It's about aligning analytics with your SEO goals from day one. And those who master the setup, they don't just report metrics, they engineer growth. So before chasing traffic, let's build the radar that shows us where to steer. When users land on your site, they leave behind a trail, like digital footprints in fresh snow. But without the right configuration in GA4, those footprints melt before you can read them. Missed clicks, untracked scrolls, search queries lost in the noise. It's not just frustrating, it's fatal for SEO decisions. This is where the real craft begins. Configuring GA4 for SEO isn't a checklist, it's a mindset. We enable site search tracking not just to see what users type, but to uncover what they can't find. We configure events so we're not just tracking visits, but behaviors. Micro-conversions, scroll depth, outbound clicks that signal engagement. And custom dimensions? They let us add meaning to the madness, labeling pages by content type, audience, or funnel stage. Data becomes narrative. Patterns become insights. And with data retention tuned to match your strategy, nothing slips through the cracks. This is where SEO shifts from guesswork to intelligence. A user clicks your link in Google search. That sounds like a win, right? But here's the catch. Unless GA4 and Search Console are properly linked, that moment, the reason behind the click, the keyword that brought them there, disappears into thin air. You'll see the user's behavior, but not their origin story. When you integrate Search Console with GA4, you unlock that missing layer. You fuse intention with interaction. It's not just about verifying access or clicking link, it's about connecting two strategic perspectives. One shows you how users behave, the other reveals why they came in the first place. And when those streams combine, that's when the magic happens. You spot patterns, keywords that drive action, landing pages that convert organically, queries that fall short. This is where surface metrics evolve into strategic insights. GA4 shows you the movement. Search Console hands you the motive. Together, they reveal the map. One of the biggest myths in SEO, that more traffic always means more success. But let me ask you this. If 1,000 visitors show up and bounce within 10 seconds, was it really a win? Solopreneurs especially can't afford vanity metrics. Every click has to count. Every insight needs to translate into action. So we track smarter. Traffic metrics tell us who's coming, organic volume, pages per session, and that crucial new versus returning visitor split. Are we building a loyal audience, or just chasing fleeting clicks? Then come the performance metrics. Keyword rankings and click-through rates show if we're standing out in search, but the real gold lies in organic conversions. Are visitors taking meaningful steps? And don't sleep on the technicals. Page speed under 3 seconds, mobile usability, core web vitals. Because no matter how brilliant your content is, if your site lags, you lose them. These KPIs aren't just numbers, they're your survival kit, your compass, your edge. Raw data is like uncut stone. It holds value, but without shape, it's unusable. Now a custom dashboard? That's your chisel, It transforms scattered metrics into decision-ready insights. For digital marketers juggling traffic, conversions, rankings, and technical signals, dashboards are where chaos becomes clarity. Start with GA4 reports. Navigate to Organic Search under Acquisition. Here, you don't just view performance, you dissect it. Create custom explorations, isolate returning users, spot mobile drop-offs, go beyond the surface. Then bring in Looker Studio. When you connect GA4 with Search Console, the real magic begins. Rankings meet conversions. Visual correlations emerge. Suddenly, it's not just data, it's narrative. Set up automated updates. Track progress weekly. Spot patterns early. And don't forget assisted conversions. They reveal hidden wins most overlook. The best dashboards don't just show what happened. They guide your next move. Efficient, strategic, tailored. That's the power of custom SEO intelligence. As we transition to our next topic, let's dive into analytics maintenance and best practices. First up, regular health checks. It's crucial to verify your data accuracy every month. This ensures that the insights you rely on for decision-making are based on trustworthy information. Additionally, be sure to check for tracking gaps quarterly and update your goals as your business evolves. Next, let's discuss continuous improvement. Refine your dashboards based on actionable insights and expand event tracking to capture more granular user behavior. Staying up to date with GA4 platform updates is essential to take full advantage of the latest features. Finally, I want to share some solopreneur time savers. Schedule automated monthly reports and focus on just 3 to 5 key metrics to simplify your analysis. A weekly data review, lasting only 15 to 30 minutes, can deliver significant benefits. This approach not only saves you time, but also keeps you aligned with your SEO goals. Let's keep moving forward.